little time away? Get swept away to the tropics with a pink martini.
Oh, that is delicious.
Good, right?
Or a frosty michelada.
I love micheladas. That's like my thing.
Crack open a coconut, overflowing with shrimp. Or dip your chip into a stunning guacamole tower. No need to get on a plane because it's Acapulco every day at Costa Pacifica.
The food, the fish, I love seafood, and just the overall environment as well. It's really nice.
Moris Saide, an energetic entrepreneur with a winning smile, created this seaside-themed hideaway when he was just 24 years old.
So how did you come up with the concept of coastal?
Pacifica.
Yeah.
So it's very interesting because there's a lot of factors involved in that formula.
That formula began with a big dream and special bond between Moris and his cousin Tommy.
We started working together when we were 13. We used to work with my grandma.
Their dream, to save money and travel the world. But first, Moris opened his heart to children in need.
I started a non-profit when I was 18.
When you were 18?
When I was 18. And we help kids with terminal illnesses. It's called Doctor Sonrisas.
Sonrisas, was that
It's like Dr. Smiles.
Dr. Smile?
But
Oh, I
it's-
like
yeah.
that.
Dr. Smiles grants wishes and provides parties for very sick children. Today, Dr. Smiles is in 20 cities across Mexico and is also expanding to South America.
It keeps you grounded, puts you back in the floor. Like you're complaining about the weather or I'm stuck in traffic or this or that, and
Puts things in perspective very quickly.
it takes you perspective very quickly.
After creating the nonprofit, Moris and Tommy finally fulfilled that childhood dream.
Yeah, we traveled all over Europe, South America, Mexico, the United States. I mean, we love it. We like places where there's a beach, right? And I mean, seafood, and try to learn the new cultures, new flavors.
Then, an ironic twist of fate brought Moris back to Mexico.
I get a phone call from my mom who tells me that my brother, Fabian, got diagnosed with leukemia. I decided to go back to Mexico and spend some time with him. And as you get more involved in those types of situations, you learn a lot about why these illnesses happen. We started learning that a lot of it comes from the way we eat nowadays. We decided to try to let people eat healthy, right? To transcend providing healthy dishes that are beautiful and colorful and very affordable.
Fresh is what you'll find on this vibrant menu, brimming with light and flavorful ceviches.
This one is called the jalapeno ceviches.
Ooh.
It's a kick. And then we have the tiradito a la diabla. So it's very spicy than this one. Yeah.
It's good.
The tostada loca, I'm obsessed.
She's talking about the mile-high tostada loca, loaded with tuna, crab, octopus, and shrimp, tossed in an Asian-style sauce and drizzled with chipotle aioli. Speaking of shrimp, feast your eyes on this. A 4x4 masterpiece decked out with double grilled shrimp and veggie towers, mounted on a grilled pineapple, soaring high above a ring of breaded shrimp, coconut shrimp, and cheese-stuffed shrimp wrapped in crispy bacon. Moris and Tommy teamed up with a talented chef from Mazatlan.
And Chuy, their chef, has been part of the family for 15 years at least.
Chewy has a degree in architecture, but his passion for cooking kept calling him back to the kitchen. Here, he's able to bring his design expertise to the plate, like this pretty La Motana.
So the first thing we had, this is called fish tiradito. So the difference between a ceviche and a tiradito is that this one is cooked twice as long.
Firmer?
Firmer and a little bit, it's not as juicy as a ceviche.
Chewy adds onions, cilantro, and cucumber with one of Costa Pacifica's signature sauces.
Just the right amount of
Even
spiciness.
with the pepper? I mean, if I take...
Oh yeah, if you get the pepper, it might be spicy.
I'll go for it.
Medium plus, super spicy? Yeah, okay.
You may be talking the rest of the time. Okay.
Mayo on a crisped corn tostada helps cool down the heat. Then, on goes the tiradito mixture and a sliced avocado.
Cheers. It's fantastic. I'm glad you didn't go into architecture.
The coast is calling any time of the year at Costa Pacifica.
This is the best